All right, folks, I'm here at the intersection of Brea Boulevard and Elm Street. I'm going to visit Craig Park and maybe a few other places. So let's see what we can find. And right here, we have this time. By the way, I'm checking out the street lights for one of my subscribers. Man, this is called Choice Burger. I thought it was called Imperial Burger or something. Yeah, one of my subscribers, they really like the different models of street light button. Here I am at the entrance of Craig Regional Park. Let's see what we can find. All right, already pretty impressive. Look at all those hills. Yeah, this park is extremely hilly. And then look down there, there's like a little bog river. Okay, check this out. Look at that. And here's some secret tunnels right here. Would have brought my flashlight. Yeah, look at this. Pretty neat, huh? Yeah, look at that. Then right here, the water's flowing. From those tunnels right there. Look at that. It's like a sheer drop. Pretty neat, huh? And then here's what the inhabitants of the area look like, if you were wondering. Okay, back on the scooter. Hopefully these dogs don't attack me. Whew. All standard things. Filming the park, filming the demographics, or should I say recording. They don't like the rattling of the scooter. All right, we found Oscar the Grouch. Check this out. There it is, the lake. That's not even the highest point. Yeah, there we go, getting higher. And at the highest most point, there appears to be a gazebo. Here it is. I think this might be the highest point of the park. There's this nice picnic area gazebo. There, can you see the roof? Then straight ahead are some nice barbecues. Could grill up some hamburgers here. And here we go. I'm definitely giving it some break. Oh shit. Wait, I think I can see a tent right there. Behind this wall, I think there's a freeway. I can't remember exactly which road or freeway it is. There's that wooden bridge. Matter of fact. Pretty neat, huh? I can see some soda cans in that murky water. Who do you think's in there? Loch Ness Monster or Champ? Vote 1 in the comment section if Champ, 2 if Loch Ness Monster. So that's what's over here. Then you know what? I guess I'll just continue forward. I think that's Imperial Highway right here. Yeah. Okay, nothing too crazy on this side of the park. Yeah, looks like they got something interesting up here. And here we have the park office. And that's where earlier I saw the American flag and the California Republic flag. Aha, another cool gazebo. Oh shit, there's the guy who you pay the lady the money to park. Damn, it's $3 to park here. I guess that's not that bad. I'm just gonna walk down here. There's no sidewalk going straight where you want. You just fold it up. And here we go, the lake. It looks quite idyllic. Check it out. Okay, cool, the river wraps around the whole park. Connects to the lake. Okay, check this out. Fishing rolls. 7 a.m. to park closing. California fishing license required. 16 and over. Ah, yeah, basic stuff. No feeding the ducks, no swimming. Here we go. I found my own Rock of Gibraltar right here. Yeah, look at that. There's little like tadpoles or something in there. There it is. I got here a little late. As you can see, the sun is low on the horizon, but there's still a good amount of daylight. You can see the hills in the distance. And then beyond the hills, you can see the mountain peak. So, yeah, look at that. You can't see any fish there, it's too murky. Then over here, there's a piece of wood or driftwood or something right there, sticking out of the water. I heard something over here. Ah, pretty neat. If it wasn't so far, I'd come to this park every now and again. Man, I don't know if there's an underground tunnel that leads here. Look, here's where the river continues. Yeah, there's got to be like an underground pipe because you can kind of see water flowing. Unless that's just from the wind. And yet another hilly area to summit. Let's go see what's up there. And then check out this house or apartment. Here's the baseball field. Pretty cool, huh? Look, right there. Yoga's pure superstition. What do you guys think? There's no medical or science to back up yoga. Am I wrong? Man, the possibility for exploration is unlimited. Okay, let's get a little industrial. Man, I don't even know what I'm looking at here. These two pipe things are all rusted and broken up. Yeah, I saw this on Google Maps. This is like a nature reserve kind of. It's just a bunch of dense vegetation, probably with some, I don't know, animals living in there. And then if you look right here, it says natural area. Notice this is a natural area. And you can pause it if you want to read the whole thing. Characterized by certain inherent dangers. These dangers may include rugged terrain, swift-moving water, extremes of weather, and certain species of plant and animals, including coyotes, rattlesnakes, stinging needles, ticks, and don't send your kids in there. Your safety cannot be guaranteed. Fuck. Judging on that sign, I'm not going to go too far into here. I can see signs that people have been here. See the potato chips? And look straight ahead forward. Yeah, it seems pretty dark in here, man. I don't even know how good this will come in on camera. Yeah, this is as far as I'll go. They said there could be rattlers. That's as far as I'm gonna go. The sign said there could be rattlesnakes in there. Yeah, this park just keeps getting more and more interesting. Yeah, there would have been more light if I would have came here earlier. But there's a heavy canopy right here. So yeah, that's the nature area. Yeah, check it out. There it is. This river right here separates civilization from this dangerous area beyond. Oh, there's probably like mountain lions. And then the mountain lions like shoot rattlesnakes at you when they roar. I'm wearing generic Target versions of Vans, so if the rattlesnake bites my ankle, I'm not wearing cowboy boots. It won't be good. Straight ahead, that looks pretty damn interesting. Look at that. It's like a big concrete structure. Holy heck, yeah, this part keeps getting more interesting the further I go. Look at that structure right there. Yeah, look at those rocks. I wonder where those rocks lead up to. Yeah, look at that trail. Can you see those people coming down the trail? Yeah, there's houses way up there. Then there's that weird concrete structure. Then there's more stuff that way. I'm gonna go there in a minute, actually. The heck is this, a dam or something? Did I discover a dam on the mighty Colorado? Aha, signs of morbid habitation. Yeah, see, back in the day, some workers built this dam or whatever it is, and then they fell into the cement right there. And it became their permanent tomb for 1,000 years. Here we go, signs of urban decay. Emphasis on the word urban. Check this out. A hat. Yeah. Hubbymeister Hearts Babykins. Man, I don't know if that's the names on their birth certificates. But I'm glad they found each other. Oh yeah, this is cool. Look at that, there's a roundabout. Oh yeah, here it is. The Fullerton Dam, built by Los Angeles District Corps of Engineers, U.S. Army. Wow. You know, I bet you they just made this to put those those metal barrels filled with zombies. They just put them in the cement to get rid of them. That's probably the reason why they built this dam. So this seems like a good place as any to end the video. The exploration of Craig Regional Park.